How to activate BOB player. Now this process is very straightforward and the very easiest method possible. Now all you have to do first before you go directly to bobplayer.com/login is you need to have a copy of your MAC address and your device key as well. Now for you to be able to get these login credentials, all you have to do is just to access your BOB player directly from your TV. And from there, all you have to do next is just to simply click on Manage Playlist. Once you have successfully clicked on Manage Playlist, just go ahead to Add Playlist. That is when your MAC address and your device key will show up. You can either take a picture of it or just have to take down notes on those credentials. Now, once you already have those, all you have to do next is go to bobplayer.com's official site and then just go directly to Activate Device. Then here input your MAC address and as well as your device key. And then you just have to complete the small captcha right here for you to be able to go through this login page. Once logged in, just head directly to the billings and payments, input your credentials for you to be able to pay successfully and fully activate your device. So that's the easiest thing to do for you to be able to activate your BOB player.